Noah with us. Question about the parade tomorrow. How's the weather going to work out? Because we'd love to see it nice.
Sunshine and full supply for Veterans Day parade tomorrow. Here's a look at that parade forecast. Temperatures from noon on in the 70s. So what a beautiful Wednesday is unfolding. Here's what I'm tracking on your Tuesday, though. Sunshine is back starting today. We won't have to wait for Veterans Day just for the sunshine. We can enjoy it today, but temperatures tomorrow will be warmer. But all of that warm air in place is priming the atmosphere for the storms that are going to be rolling through early Thursday morning, and that's why we've issued a weather aware day. More on that in a moment, but first, a look outside. Temperatures are starting out in the low to mid 50s, a pair of fives here in the Birmingham metro. Temperatures staying in the 50s through 10 a.m. and then we're topping out in the mid 60s around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Sunshine is going to be the main feature in your sky for this Tuesday, and the sunshine sticks around for Wednesday as well. Highs across the board. The weather where you live, upper 60s, so a very seasonable day across the state. Centerville, Utah, both in the lower 70s. I'm forecasting a high of 68 here in Birmingham, 65 in Aniana with 66 in Gadsden down towards Alexander City. What a great day to be on the lake. 70 degrees down there. As we're looking at our storm track radar this morning, a dry scan as we start out the day. But the story is about to change. Remember all that rain we had over the weekend and on Monday? Well, that's associated with a low pressure system that's moving on out of here. So no more worries of that low impacting our weather. We're focused on a different low back to our west. That's associated with a cold front that's going to race out of the Rockies. It's going to zip across the Great Plains and quickly rush into the deep south early Thursday morning. Here's a breakdown of what we could see after all of this warm air covers the eastern half of the nation. With this warm air in place, it's really the collision of two air masses. You have a warm, moisture-rich air mass colliding with a very cold air mass, drier air mass behind it. So this cold front's really going to act to stimulate the atmosphere and provide us the opportunity for some potent storms. Here's a look at the timing of the wet weather. Storm Track Futurecast showing tomorrow 6 p.m. This is going to be moving into the Mississippi Delta. It quickly, I should say, moves across northern Mississippi before reaching us around midnight Thursday morning. Now, the reason we have a weather aware in place is because this is an overnight weather event. Plus, some of these storms could pack a punch, but it's not going to reach the criteria of severe weather. Along this leading edge is where we could have gusty winds, and that means straight line winds 40, 50 plus miles per hour. So you can hear the howling wind as this storm system passes. Then through around 3 o'clock, that moves from Hamilton into Jasper into the Birmingham metro, stretching all the way up towards Gadsden and back down towards Greene and Hale counties. And then from 3 a.m. until about 6 a.m., it starts to push off to the south and to the east. At that point, it will be impacting Peach Country, and we start to get into Coosa County, and then it slides out of here, I should say, by around 9 o'clock. By noon, we should start to see a clearing sky for your Thursday. But remember, because this is an overnight event and because of the potency of some of these isolated thunderstorms, we are issuing a weather aware day, something for you to be aware of. But we want you to also know this is not going to be extremely widespread severe weather event. Affecting central Alabama, damaging winds, the main feature of this system. And then after that cold front moves out, we are looking for a major cool down. We're talking 30s both Saturday and Sunday mornings. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.